Does your speedometer or tachometer have a needle that wavers or moves erratically? Magnetic Speedometer Repair is a book that shows you how to fix this and many other faults yourself. No specialist tools or skills are required, and the book guides you through the whole process with photographs and diagrams for each step. Both speedometers and tachometers can be calibrated on bike against a cycle computer. Or you can put together an easy to build rig such as this one. Get more details and read sample pages on this link.